Welcome to HBP Help Sheet on how to use the filters within Sage 200. What we're going to do is just set up a simple filter on this customer list. If you notice at the moment, everything we're showing here is everything which has a balance, but also everything which has a zero balance. So if we just look down, even customers which aren't being used actually have. So this one here, say it doesn't have a balance in, but it's appearing on the list. What you might find is you want to tailor these lists. So obviously with all of them, you can click on them and it'll do them in alphabetical order. Let's just say for name, if you click on code, it'll do code in alphabetical order. Also balance, obviously. It'll do balance here by the highest number at the top or lowest number. But what we might want to do is just be a bit more specific on this data we want to see in this list view, because obviously we can export this list to Excel, which a lot of people like to do. So to set up a new filter, let's just say we only want to see customers which have a credit limit actually in the system. So to set up a new filter, what we'll do here, we'll click on New Filter. And what we're going to say is set up a new filter. Remember at this point to give it a name so that it actually means something. So we're going to have a look in here and we're going to see every customer which has a credit limit. Ticking this box just decides whether or not the filters can be edited and deleted, and everyone else can actually see this filter, so it will be available to the other users on the system. So first of all, if we go where, the column we actually want to look at is credit limit, and what we want to say here is greater than. So obviously we have all our conditions down the side here, but what we're saying here, if the credit limit is greater than 0, and click save, that's the filter actually made now. So what we're going to say here is apply the credit limit, and we'll see everything here which actually has a credit limit. So if you wanted to, you can actually export all of that to Excel just by highlighting the rows that you wanted. And here you've got the option to export to Excel, so you can export all to Excel. I've selected to Excel. I also have some other filters set up on the system. So here I have one which is actually just all the live customers, so just literally everything which has a balance in. These filter views are very, very powerful, so it really is a good idea to spend some time setting them up.